Well, this is your morning vlog. Someone just started screaming. I don't know what the fuck started screaming. Someone started screaming. Yeah, this is wild. Mad wild. Oh, looks like the truck's moving now. What the hell happened? Oh, is that Luis? Yo, that's my. What the fuck? That's my old friend. Yo, that's my old friend. Yo, what the fuck? My old friend got in the crash. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? My friend got in the crash. Yo, hold on. My friend got in the crash. Nigga, what? Hold on. Bro, what the fuck?